What is going on, guys, and welcome to our first example that we are doing in this recursion section. So in this video, in this example, we are going to write a function, a recursive function that will receive some natural number, which is num, and then it will return the sum of the arithmetical progression from 1 up to num. So we are going to write a recursive function that will call itself, and once it calls itself, it will divide the main problem into some smaller sub-problems until it reaches some stopping condition, and the result will be to find the sum from 1 up to num. So for example, if we received num equals to 3, then our recursive function should return the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is a total of 6. And if we received num equals to 5, then our recursive function should return the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is a total of 15. So as we can see, the sum of all the numbers from 1 up to num, okay, for all the natural numbers from 1 to num. So that's what we want to do in this exercise, in this example, and we know that it can be done easily just by using some for loop or while loop, right? But we are going to use our new concept, our recursion concept, to solve this exercise. And to make things a little bit easier for us, I suggest to write our sum as the following way. 1 plus 2 plus 3, and so on up until you sum num minus 1 and the num itself to your general sum, okay? And instead of looking at this sum in this way, it's just a hint that you may also look at the sum in the following way, which is pretty much the same, right? It doesn't matter if you sum from left to right or from right to left, the sum is going to be the same. But that's the first hint that I give you to solve this example, and take a few moments to think about how you would do it, and we are going to solve it together. So let's go.